Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
The next question for you. The capacity of a container is 600 liter. It contains 89 liter of water, 95 liters of water is poured into it. How much more water can the container hold? The options given are 416 liter, option B 614 liters, option C 436 liters, and option D 764 liters. So, the question is asking me that the capacity is 600 liters, okay? It contains 89 liter of water. So, which means that we have to first reduce 89 to see how much water can be added further. So, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 8, 1 and 5. So, which means that 511 liters of water can be still added. Okay. Coming to the next part of the question, 95 liter of water is poured into it. So, which means that they have added another 95 liters, and we need to find that still how many liters of water can be added to make the container as 600. So, I will reduce 95 liter further. So, 11 minus 5 is 6, 10 minus 9 1 and 4. So, which means I need to add 416 liters of water extra in order to make it 600. So, where is the option? It is option A. Clear? So, if you want, you can cross verify the answer and see. First, we will be adding 89 plus 95. So, 9 plus 5 14, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 9 18. Okay, we got the answer 416. So, if you add this 4 plus 6 10, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6. So, which means you have got the right answer. Clear? Shall we move ahead? So, this is your next question. A packet contains 300 grams of sugar. Ankit bought 5 such packets and used 864 grams of sugar for a dish. What is the mass of the remaining sugar? and the options given are 0.346 kg, option B 0.636 kg, option C 0.146 kg, and option D 0.5 kg. Okay, so one packet weight is 300 grams and Ankit is buying 5 such packets. So which means 300 into 5, 0, 0 and 15. So which means that he is having 1500 grams of sugar. And how much is he using? He is using 864 grams to make a dish. So I will be reducing 864 from this. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 14 minus 8 is 6. So 636 gram of sugar is remained with him. That is option B. So 636 gram can also be written as 0.636 kg. Okay, or you can write it as 636 grams. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? The next question is, the capacity of a jug is 7 liters and the capacity of a bucket is 98 liters. How many jugs of water will fill the bucket? The options are 13, 91, 14 and 105. Now, the capacity of a jug is 7 liter and the bucket is 98. So, how many jugs of water will fill the bucket? So, it's a simple question again. So, 98 will be divided by 7, because only if we divide the higher quantity with the lower one, it will give me how many jugs I need to utilize in order to fill this bucket. Okay, so 1, 28, 7 fours are 28. So which means that 14 jugs are required in order to fill the bucket, which has a capacity of 98 liters. So option C, 14 is the right answer. Clear? Coming to the last question of this unit, children. The question says, eight similar jugs can hold 56 liter of water. How many liters of water can 3 such jugs hold? The options are 4 liter, option B 10 liter, option C 7 liter, and option D 21 liter. So now it's a tricky question again. 8 similar jugs, meaning 8 same jugs can hold 56 liter of water. So if 8 jugs can hold 56 liter of water, how much will one jug hold? So which means 56 divided by 8. So that will give me an answer 7 liter. So which means that one jug will hold, one jug has a capacity of 7 liters. So now they are asking how many liters of water can 3 such jugs hold. So 7 into 3, which will give me an answer 21 liters. So where is the option, children? It is option D. So we have solved variety of questions and we have also learned lot of formulas, right? So I hope you have learned a lot and you have enjoyed solving the questions along with me. See you all in the next class.